When it comes to polishing paint to swirl-free perfection, the most important factor is the abrasive technology. NSP 150, 95, and 45 all use engineered microsphere abrasive technology embodied in a nanogel. The primary benefits to this type of new abrasive technology is the uniform size and shape of the abrasives, which enables them to cut fast while leaving a more perfect finish behind. No more scouring like old school compounds and polishes. NSP 150 is an aggressive cutting primer polish for removing deeper swirls and scratches on neglected paint. NSP 95 is a medium cutting primer polish for light defects, and NSP 45 is a finishing primer polish for creating perfectly clear high gloss results. 3 new replacements for old school compounds and polishes that work with any orbital polisher or rotary buffer. Stop grinding on paint and switch over to Dr. Beasley's Nano Surface Primers. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.